like Julie said, I'm with the Red Cape Company, and my name is Vickie, and I'm a Microsoft certified trainer. I have been teaching Microsoft technology since '97 when I was 10. Normally, when you guys are in a technology class, you're in front of a computer. And obviously, we don't have that luxury. I only have 30 minutes to show you these tips. So my challenge to you is just walk away with 3 things today. Just walk away with the top 3 things that are going to save you time. Last session, someone came up to me and said, you used to save me 7 hours of time just from that one tip. The next one is, I don't know if you've ever done this, where you have a ton of windows open. Can you guys see how I have a ton of windows open there? So if I need to see the desktop, do you guys ever do this? Minimize, 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 minimize. You get the picture? So instead of having to do that, do Windows D as in desktop, and that will take you directly to the desktop. The other statistic I want to talk to you about is when people submit suggestions and recommendations to Microsoft about ideas. Here's how you can improve Word. Here's how you can improve Excel. Here's how you can improve PowerPoint, Windows, and all that stuff. 94% of those suggestions were already in the software. 94%. That's a huge number, and the reason is everything was hidden. It was good menu, submenu, sub-submenu, sub-submenu. Last week when I delivered this, one gentleman came up to me afterwards, nearly in tears, and said, I work in government contracts all day and all night. And I mean, he was literally shaking. I cannot believe how much time you saved me just showing this next feature. So let me show you this. And if I go to change styles and style set, I'm going to make this, let's do fancy. I like the word fancy. So there's fancy. I don't know why that's fancy. When you delete a table, typically you'll select it. So you can right click and say delete table. But a lot of times, what do you do when you delete a table? What's your first instinct? If I want to delete this, what button do you push? Delete, right? So when I hit delete, what did it do? Yeah, it deletes the text. It's like, oh, Bill Gates. Like, so instead of delete, you want to use backspace. Here's just one email. It says, coffee run in 15 minutes. And all of a sudden, all the staff, all the team members are emailing, yeah, I'll have a latte, I'll have a cappuccino, I'll have a coffee. So if you're the person sending that email out and you want to aggregate all that mail, you can change it to conversation view, and you can do this really for any of your messages in your inbox. But now I can see this message, and if I click the triangle, it will just show me all of the messages that came in based on that subject.